So they're learning how to dive? What are they doing?
They're setting up this float right here.
Yeah.
There's some load cells right there. And I think they're just gonna measure the force of the waves. They're gonna run a test. Once it's all set up, they're gonna run a test. And it's just gonna measure the force of the waves from these little load cells.
Okay. So they are setting up, right?
Yeah, they're just setting up right now. There's gonna be some position sensors on there too
I thought they are learning how to dive here.
need a bigger tank for that.
I think a spacer can do this without all the equipment. Do you know spacer? Do you know spacer? No, right?
No.
He used to be a diver.
Yeah. Actually, he used to be in the Navy, right?
Yeah, he said he can hold his breath for 3 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. So I think, yeah, they are trained. 3 minutes. It's very hard to kill them.
Yeah. Good to see you over here. If you want to look.
Hey, Paul, have you figured out your cell phone plan?
What?
Have you figured out your cell phone plan?
Yeah, I'm just keeping the same one I have. That is amazing.
Huh? Which one?
If you don't do it all at the same time, the others just go slack.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Paul. So the red one is the equipment for measuring the force.
What's that?
The red.
Yeah, the red, like, cone.
Yeah.
See, that's completely slack.
Oh no. Screwed up.
Equipment. We're not gonna be able to use any of these. We don't have many more of those.
I think it's because in the water, you cannot feel the force. So when this guy just put in you have no idea how much force you are put.
It's on the wrench. I mean the what do you call it? I don't know what the hell it's called.
Holy.
Who's him? Do you know him?
Yeah.
Who's him? You know how to dive, right? That's cool. That's cool.